This is Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell with the WHAS 11 Weather Impact Team tracking the latest on Hurricane Melissa. Now, Melissa did make landfall early Tuesday afternoon as a major Category 5 hurricane around New Hope, Jamaica. Maximum sustained winds were around 185 miles per hour. And of course, that means wind gusts were even higher at times. One way to measure the strength of a hurricane, that is the minimum central pressure. So the lower the pressure is, the stronger the hurricane. And Melissa had a minimum central pressure at landfall of 892 millibars. Now this puts it at the third strongest hurricane on record for the Atlantic Basin, tying the Labor Day hurricane in 1935 and only being surpassed by Gilbert and Wilma in terms of just the strongest hurricanes on record for the Atlantic Basin. Now at landfall, once again, it was a Category 5 hurricane. It spent some time over land, and naturally those winds decreased a bit thanks to friction. But now that it's moving back over the water, that eye is getting a little bit more defined. And as of the 8 p.m. Eastern Time update from the National Hurricane Center, it is a Category 3 hurricane with maximum sustained winds around 125 miles per hour, moving toward the north-northeast around 8 miles per hour. So it could strengthen again before it does make a secondary landfall over eastern Cuba Tuesday night into very early Wednesday morning. It will continue onward over the Bahamas at that point and then move a bit quicker as it continues to decrease in intensity, perhaps impacting Bermuda by late Thursday. And of course, we're talking several inches of rainfall over eastern Cuba into the Bahamas. You're talking more flooding concerns as well, hurricane forced winds, landslides, storm surge, and really the impacts in terms of landfall, that's just phase one. Beyond that, the aftermath could be even worse as we try to get in touch with those impacted by this hurricane and get aid to those who need it. Once again, for WHAS 11, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell.